Okay, so what is the purpose of information architecture? I think can be summarized in this simplistic way. Basically, we want to extract or transform or load from the multiple of various data sources. Then we put it into the data warehouse like a cube, right? Then after that, we need to process that data. After that, we turn it into the like OLAP analysis, reporting, data mining, or dashboard. So basically, in essence, this is the simplistic way. What is the so-called the information architecture end-to-end? And of course, now when you talk about information, they got a few level of the so-called layers. The first one is called data. So data is basically, if you talk about production, is the raw material. So basically, we need to basically understand the data, get the data, connect the data, and how the data can be collated to perform so-called something that are quite informative, and of course, eventually to become a knowledge. So basically, all the output could be coming from IoT, Internet of Things, or perhaps from external party. How we can basically gather the data so that we can connect the data and group them accordingly. The next one, of course, information, is basically how we organize for a purpose, how we organize the data for a purpose. So we are looking at the record or transmit a message in terms of the ordering sequence, and of course, how to summarize of data. So we look at the where the data come from, is there any interdependency, and of course, how we connect the data to turn it to become information. The next one is knowledge. Knowledge is the product of information. So basically, how we package various sources of information that has been analyzed, and we need to assign a meaning. Of course, now we're talking about the meaning. The meaning here is basically we are talking about what actually the stakeholder wanted. So we need to know who are our key stakeholders. We need to capture their motivation and see how the knowledge can help them to make so-called a better decision, and also make decision making in the timely and of course wise manner. And knowledge is also a set of belief that we create from information, and of course it is the interpretation of information itself. So again, how do we interpret? We need to know who are our key stakeholders, what they are looking for, and from there we provide a value, which is the next topic of my presentation. So information architect is playing a key role in transforming data from information to knowledge and assisting key stakeholders for strategic business decision making process. So at the end of the day, we need to understand how the data is being used by the key stakeholders. That is so-called the most important part. It's not about how do we massage the data, how do we connect the data. That's important, yes, it's important, but the most important part is that how the data itself can be used or can be consumed by the key stakeholders.